Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sweet and Sour Lacquer prototype P004. I'm going to be using the Clear Jelly Stamper Plate collaboration with Manisha M. And I'm going to have Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails ready to go. Here is P004. This is a beautiful polish. It's like a gold opal. It's so pretty. So here we go. I'm going to hop in here. Loving this brush. The formula is amazing. Look at that bling on that brush. Whoo, pretty. Alright, here we go with our second coat. And it's just, you know, a pretty one. Gotta get Woody out. Hi Woody, how you doing? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a third coat, and this might not make that visible nail line go all the way away, but it's going to bring it pretty close. I am not doing 4 coats, so 3 coats is going to be it for me today on this. And we're going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. We're going to get this one to dry down. I'm going to do some serious playing today. We're going to do some advanced stamping. I am so looking forward to it. Had this one pictured in my head for a hot minute. That's so pretty. And I just love polishes like this that got that sparkle and shine going to them, you know, little bling bling. So here we go with a CJS LC19, and I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black and a couple of Maniology stampers. These are the cube stampers and their little scraper also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one big image here, and I know y'all thinking, girl, your nails ain't that big. Just watch what I'm going to do with it. So I'm going to scrape it twice and then I'm going to take half of the image up with one stamper and the other half up with another stamper so that I get all of the image. I'm going to clean that plate with pure acetone, wiping it with a paper towel. And then I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and pull off any excess that I don't want on my stamper. And I've decided I'm going to make this more even here because my nails are not very big or long. So I'm going to shorten this to where I want it. There we go. I'll be using all mixed up lacquers, and this is that, it's a blue. I think it's a kind of like a take on a swear word, which I don't say on my channel. You would hear me in real life say them, but not on my channel. I'm using my What's Up Nails Mermaid O brush to fill this one in. And I love a mandala manicure. They're some of my favorites. They're just so pretty. And this one I decided to go with some bright colors. They don't necessarily go with my base color all that well, but that's okay. I'm still going to enjoy the contrast. And that blue is so pretty. Gorgeous cream. There we go. Get that one done. And I'm going to clean off my brush over on my paper towel and then dip it in the acetone and clean it up. This is Camera Freak Out, also by All Lacquered Up. I think that's right. And I'm going to just fill in some more of this image. I am going to end up using, I'm going to pretty much fill in this image, is what I'm saying. I'm going to cover it all up. And I guess I'm ready for fall colors because I really dig the jewel tones and all the fall colors, but I'm squeaking in some more of them bright colors right before we get done with it. I love these clear stampers. You can flip them over and check out your work. And here we go with GERmanikure Yellard. This is one of my favorites too. I love the name of it. I think it's so cute. So we're just going to fill the ring down here in with that. And that brush, I'm telling you, this detail brush works really good. I've been using it quite a bit. been using it. I haven't used the other brush that I got. It's longer, more of a liner brush. And here we go, Pank. Now, the name of this one's my favorite, because everybody knows I love me some Pank polish. Excuse me. And here we go. We're going to fill in this last little bit. Now, I did both of the decals the same, but I'm just showing the filling in of one. I didn't see the point in doing both of them. They're going to be the same. And I love when I got time to do manicures with this advanced stamping technique, because I think it just takes the manicure over the top, above just like regular stamping. Look how pretty that is. I'm going to use the IMK Bio Sticky Base, and I'm going to apply that to my nails. Then I'm going to apply the decals to, just so that they have a little bit of a tacky layer to stick down to. Excuse me. And now we're going to try to line this rascal up. You can tell I'm trying to be very careful. Alright, got that one on there. And now I'm going to clean that stamper off on a lint roller and set it aside. And here we go for some cleanup time. Now there's not a lot sticking off of this one, so it won't be too bad. I'm going to go ahead and just do this other one real quick too. So as you can see today, I am sticking to the accent nail theme. There we go. Going to try to line this one up and roll it onto the nail. It's kind of hard when the decal's all filled in, because you can't see through it. So there we go. Awesome. So now we're going to do our little cleanup. I'm using some acetone in my little cleanup brush here. And I know this decal almost covers up the whole manicure, but there is a little bit on the sides that still shows the base color. I was real happy that that happened that way, because if not, these nails wouldn't have looked like they belonged together, maybe. I'm going to tap, tap, tap across the end, flat side of my brush. Try to clear that glob out from under there. There we go. Yes, yes, indeed. I'm going to get under that one, too. Sorry I'm out of frame. Girl is wicked bad about that. Goodness gracious. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat to go over these. And once that is totally, completely dry, I'll be topping it with some Poshe Top Coat. Oh, camera freaking out. It's that green camera freak out messing it up. So there we go. I really enjoyed this one. Like I said, I love mandala manicures, and you can do them in like soft spring colors. You can do them in bright summer neon colors. You can do them in just any, I mean, they're just so versatile. Just so much fun. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.